everyone, good morning. Hope you all are doing good and absolutely fit and fine. So today is Wednesday and 28th of September. Today is a very rainy day. Like there is a depression in around Andhra and Odisha, so that's why the effect has started today here itself. And obviously I didn't go to work, but I did not get out from my bed. So and yesterday night there was a special dinner that was biryani. I have already shared the recipe of chicken biryani in my other channel Suprava Poddar. If you want to go and check out the recipe, then you can definitely go and check out there. I will put the link in the description box. So we had biryani. So awesome. I will show you. It's raining since morning and there is wind. So anyways, now I have already freshened up. I drank my warm water, and you might be wondering what is this. If you haven't watched my previous day vlog, then you will not know. This is the effect of frying oily fish. So anyway, go and check out my previous day vlog if you haven't. I have already uploaded the vlog on time, and sorry that I could not shoot much because of my shortage of storage. Today the breakfast will be pancake, namkeen pancake. This recipe I have shared already in my other channel Suprava Poddar. So if you want to know the recipe, then you can go and check it out. So now I will do it's already 8:30 today. I am late, so it's a lazy day wala day. So anyway, I will now and I will quickly make the breakfast. So stay tuned, and I will add dhania patta, green chili, onion, and maida, and egg and ginger, grated ginger. So these are what I have used. Now I will quickly make the pancake. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What you saw, this is the condition of today since morning. Like today I didn't go out for walk. I even started show vlogging, but I was feeling so lazy. And also second thing which was most like important than being lazy is I was got busy in our household work. So busy that I did not shoot anything. Neither I have edited my vlog. So that was also a requirement that I could not shoot, as there was less storage, or you can say no storage in my phone to shoot and store the clips. So anyways, now evening I will be having adrak wali chai and piyaj because it's raining. So I will be going and preparing that, and I will not be able to shoot. I'm sorry. And stay tuned. absolutely fit and fine. So today is again rainy day. It's more drizzling since morning. Yesterday it was raining like cats and dogs, and sometime it was drizzling. So yesterday, day before yesterday night, it was started raining and it was non-stop raining. And today also the weather is such a, I have already shown, such a gloomy type of weather. There is no sunlight, and I woke up, I freshened up, I did my every morning rituals, and I also made roti. Yesterday night we had made tarka, so we prepared the tarka in such a way that so that we can have it in today breakfast also. So we had all those things. Now it is around 9 in the morning. Now I will sit and I will start doing all my work, and hope you have watched my yesterday's vlog. That was of the Monday vlog, 27th of September, and if you haven't, then go and please check it out, and also subscribe to my channel and keep sharing and supporting me so that my channel grows bigger, just like my other channel Suprabha Poddar, which has already crossed 100 plus subscribers. So till then, stay tuned. Everyone, so it's around 12:30 in the afternoon. I took my shower and now I will go for my lunch. Lunch is almost ready because we had many of the things left over. So today only rice and a fry, aloo bhaja and tomato poda. These all things we need to do. That is all done. So we will have the lunch because by today we have to finish all the non-veg, as from tomorrow it's Friday, and from tomorrow Friday, Saturday we have downstairs, and I will have my lunch. So, and also my editing is complete. It is now in the rendering process, and soon the video of that is vlog of Tuesday will be published. And if you haven't watched my other previous videos, then go and check it out, and also comment down in the section below how you are liking my videos. So till then, stay tuned. Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So it is around 3:30 in the evening. I took well rest, lunch is over, everything is over. Yes, you can see the sky is clear, so hope it will not rain now. Anyways, today in the snacks we will have something special, and that is chicken chow mein. So I will start preparing the chicken chow mein, that means chopping and all those things, so that when I start preparing actually, then it takes very less time. And that is a very good habit which everyone can inculcate if they want to be very fast in their cooking. That is, before you start cooking, just prepare all the side things like chopping, washing the utensils and everything. Just keep it aside, so that once you go into the kitchen to prepare the food, you just take half an hour or max to max 40 minutes and everything will be done. So anyways, I prefer it in this way. Those of you prefer it this way, they can comment down in the section below and let me know that how many of you do like this. So anyways, meet you till then, and I will now first have my cup of green tea and I will then do all my work. So it is around 4 in the evening. I read my book, I had my cup of green tea, and now I have come in the upstairs with this cup of pomegranate because I have low hemoglobin and low platelet, and I feel like, and I think that pomegranate has got that much of nutrition which will help in increase of blood. So anyway, now I will do and set few of my work, and already I have boiled the chow. I have kept all the veggies aside, and the chicken is also kept aside. A little bit of chicken is there so that it can add a little bit of that non-veg valley feeling. So anyways, now I will sit and do my work, and also the new vlog is already uploaded, so go and enjoy that, and till then, stay tuned. So after 2 days of continuous raining, this is what the sky looks. The sky is clear and weather is also cool, and I'm feeling like to go out, but since I have decided to make chow mein and I also have prepared all the necessary requirements to do that, so I will not be going out, because if I go out and then I will come and I will then prepare, then to have that snack it will become 7, and if I do like snacks at 7, then to have dinner, that is not possible. So now I will go down and I will start prepare the chow mein, and also when I will have it, I will, like when it is done, I will show you how it looks, because Chow mein is one thing which I can have. Chow mein, chicken biryani, these are things which I can have anytime, anywhere. So anyways, not to talk much, I will now go downstairs. I will start preparing the chicken chow mein, and till then stay tuned. Here the chow mein is already boiled. Then here these onions I have skipped, because if you keep the onions in the water, then what happens while cutting, you will not be having teary eyes. Green chili and all these for the chicken, beans, carrot and capsicum. So that's it. This is what is required. So now I will start preparing the chow mein fatafat, because it's already 4:45. So let's begin. Hope you like my full day vlog from morning till night vlog. And as you can see, I have already tied my hair, I have washed my face, and now I will go and read at least 1-2 pages, which is a mandatory for me, and will then go to sleep. It's already 10:40 in the night. Hope you like this video, and if you like this vlog, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such content, and let me know in the comment section below what type of other videos do you want to see. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.